Hey everybody, it's Cody here. This video is going to be a little bit different than the first two I've uploaded. It's going to be more for entertainment purposes as opposed to education. Now, us busy entrepreneurs, we work long hours, and it's important to remember to take a break from that and just kind of unwind, and that's exactly what I did this weekend. We went to Bowling Green, Kentucky, to the National Corvette Museum and participated in the Xtreme Xperience. Now that's spelled without E's if you want to look that up. Basically, this company will let you rent supercars and drive them on racetracks. So that's exactly what we did this weekend. Had a blast doing it, and I'm going to upload some footage of myself driving the Ferrari 488 there, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And again, that's the Xtreme Xperience, and they go all over the country. So if they end up in an area near you, I highly recommend checking it out. It's a great time. So watch the video, and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks.
Yep. All right, cool. Okay, we're gonna follow the red Lamborghini there. So how'd those first drives go? Did you kind of feel like you picked up the track?
Yeah, I've been on the track before too. I did the Corvette Xperience here.
Okay. So what, you didn't want to drive our Corvettes?
I would like to try the C8 out. Yeah, I would.
Oh yeah, oh okay. I just assumed it was a C8. Okay.
No, they didn't have those here yet.
I got you.
It was last year when I was here doing that.
Okay.
And they've got the course laid out a little bit differently.
Okay. Right on. Well, I'll just kind of go over the hand signal. So should be pretty similar to what you've been in your first two drives. So fist is brake, my hand on a pivot. That's your right foot. Nice smooth throttle input. We've got 3 acceleration zones here. The end of those are going to be marked with 2 yellow cones. The first one we come across, you're going to actually, instead of like braking or slowing down, we're just going to maintain speed. So if you see me doing this, that means maintain speed, and you can even, pick up the throttle just a little bit, just a little bit of throttle.
Right.
We get to the brake markers, you're going to lift off the throttle, go back over to brake. If I need you to brake more, I'm going to shake my fist at you, okay? So you probably can't see it because I think the Lamborghini's blocking them, but all of our corners, there's 14 of them, are marked with a standing cone and a cone laying down on the side.
Okay.
Outside of the track, you're going to drive on the outside of the track. Make sure you leave me about 3 feet. But you're going to drive on the outside of the track. Once that crosses the front of the car, we're going to turn in, take a nice smooth arc with that green apex cone on the inside. And you're going to maintain that arc all the way to the outside. There'll either be another turning cone, a brake marker, or a track out cone. It just kind of depends on what part of the track we're on.
Okay.
As long as you connect the dots there, make a nice smooth arc, it's going to go good.
Okay.
I don't mind you going fast as long as we do it safely.
All right. Awesome.
So go ahead and roll on out with them. Once we get to the track, we'll kind of back off just a little bit, let them get a little bit more space.
Okay.
Alright, I'm Chris. This is Cody. We are in the Ferrari 488 GTB. We are here at National Corvette Museum with the Xtreme Xperience, and we're getting ready to go out for 3 laps of fun. We're going to stay out. Just go, okay, from here right here, just come off the throttle. Come off the throttle all the way. Actually, give me just a little bit of brake. Give me a little bit of brake. A little bit more brake. There we go. What I want to do is I want to let them get almost all the way over here before we even really start taking off.
Okay.
Okay, so here's going to be our first corner right here. Go and let them do their thing. First corner here, I'll drive all the way down. Once we get past there, take a nice smooth arc down to that green apex cone there. And then we're going to go all the way back out to this first turning cone. And then from here, we can actually get back over to the throttle and start giving me some throttle. We can accelerate all the way to those 2 yellow cones. Go ahead. Go ahead, give me throttle as much as you want to give me. Okay, from here we're going to maintain. So go ahead and come off, maintain. You give me a little bit more speed. Nice, curve by way. Make sure you're giving me 3 feet. That was really close. Okay, so maintain throttle, maintain throttle, maintain throttle. We're going to go all the way up this turning speed. We're good on speed. You don't have to brake. All the way over to me. Back over to me. There you go. Good job. And all the way back out to you. This is going to be a really tight corner here, so give me a good firm brake here. Brake, brake, brake. Nice job. You over to me. All the way down to me. And then find that first brake marker there. That's where you're going to aim on your track out. And we don't have to brake here. We're good on speed. We're going to go all the way down and then tight down to me. Miss that water. Miss that water. There you go. Good job. You can give me a little bit of throttle here. Make sure you're looking through and find that green apex cone. There you go. Good job. Give me a little bit of speed. Give me a little bit of throttle. A little bit of throttle. You're good here. You're going to come all the way back over to me. Keep the car to the right side. Keep the car to my side so you get to the next turning cone. So wait for it. Wait for it. That's a brake marker. That's a brake marker. And then turn it. Straight shot to the brake marker here. Hard brake. Tight left-hand corner here. Wait for it. Wait for it. Tight. All the way around to you. There you go. Use your toes. Squeeze that throttle up the hill. This is deception right here. So from this turn marker right here, you're going to take a really hard right-hand corner all the way over to me. So wait for it. Wait for it. Tight. All the way over to me. All the way over. There you go. Good job. Good job. Now opposite. Back to you. Use your toes. Squeeze the throttle to those two yellow cones. There you go. Good job. Come off. Give me a good hard brake here. We got a 180 to the front straightaway. 180. Come all the way around. All the way around. There you go. Squeeze that throttle all the way to those two yellow cones. All the way to the two yellow cones. You go all the way down. All the way down. There you go. Good. And off. Touch your brake just a little bit. Okay. Off the brakes. We're going to turn in. You over to me. There you go. Good. Now really hard brakes. Really hard brakes. Good. 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 There you go. Off. We're good on speed. You to me. You down to me. All the way out to your turning cone. Squeeze that throttle, those two yellow cones. You got it. You got it. You got it. Okay. And maintain here. Nice smooth turns your way. Maintain speed. Maintain speed. You got it. And then down to you. Down to you. There you go. Good job. Now we're good on speed. You're going to stay out. Stay out. Stay out. And then wait for you to that turning cone. Now you're going to come all the way down to me. All the way down. And then immediately back out to you. Hard brake up here for this right-hand turn. Hard brake and good firm brake, good firm brake. There you go. Wait for it. All the way down to me. All the way down to me. Find that brake marker. Find that brake marker. That's your turn. There you go. All the way out. All the way out. You don't have to brake here. Wait for it. Wait for it. All the way down to me. All the way down to me. Now as you come up to this turning cone, look ahead. Find that green apex cone on your side. There it is. Good. Nice. You can squeeze the throttle a little bit. Squeeze that throttle a little bit. Go and give me a little bit more speed. A little bit more speed. Keep the car to my side. Keep the car over to my side. All the way to my side so we get to that next turning cone. So wait for it, wait for it, wait for it, and now straight shot, straight shot. Good. Hard brake, hard brake, hard brake. Tight left-hander, tight left-hander, tight left-hander. There you go. And wait for it, wait for it. Squeeze the throttle up the hill, squeeze the throttle up the hill. We're going to stay to the left-hand side, stay to your side, and then sharp turn over to me. All the way over to me, all the way over. There you go. Good job. And then opposite back to you, opposite back to you. There you go. Down to that brake marker, and then we should be getting a point by up here. Good job. And all the way around, 180, all the way around. Pass him on the right, give him lots of room. Squeeze the throttle all the way to the two yellow cones. Keep going all the way, all the way. There you go. Good job, Tony. Good job. And off. Touch the brake just a little bit, and off the brakes. You to me. Really hard brake here. Brake, brake, brake. Yes. Good job. Okay, off the brakes. You to me. Over back to the throttle. Squeeze the throttle all the way to those two yellow cones. You got it. All the way to those two yellow cones. Nice little curve my way. Nice little curve your way. You can give me a little more speed if you're comfortable. A little more speed's fine. A little more speed. Back to you. Back to you. There you go. Good job. Stay to the outside. Stay to the outside. We don't have to brake. Stay out now. All the way over to me. Nice and smooth. There you go. Good job. All the way back out to you. Hard brake up here for the right-hander. And good brake. Good brake. Good brake. Off the brakes. You to me. Find that brake marker down the hill. There you go. Give me a little bit of throttle. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay. Off the throttle. No brakes. Over to me. Give me a little more throttle. Give me a little more throttle. A little more throttle. There you go. Find that apex cone. Find that apex cone. There you go. Good job. Squeeze that throttle. Squeeze that throttle. Stay to my side. Stay to my side. Over to me. Over to me. Over to me. All the way down to that turning cone. So wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Straight shot to the brake marker. Hard brake. Brake, brake, brake. There you go. Tight left-hander. Toes on the throttle. Squeeze that throttle up the hill.